Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, Chicken Esfera. This is your friend Leo, and today we're gonna be walking in a strawberry farm and a Japanese garden in Kaiserslautern. So sadly, I deleted the intro of the video, but everything else is good. So stay tuned and watch, and hopefully you guys like it. Ya me dieron 4 cajitas aquí, tú vienes, te dan las cajas y después cuando cojas todos los berries vas allá, las pesas y dependiendo cuánto pesa es que tú pagas. Venga, coja la primera cajita, coge una. Ah, venga tía. Ah, wait, the video is in English, right? I forgot. Hey, you got the other one. Let's give one to this guy over here. Espérate. He's holding the umbrella. Ay. Hey, so now we're ready to pick out the berries. Let me see. Ooh, papa. Oh, look this one. Look this one. No, this one's mine. Mira. Ah, look, this one is pretty. It still got like this over here. It's white, but hey, it doesn't matter. It's big. Julian, how many strawberries you have? You got 3 strawberries? Oh, bro, look this. Oh, this is strawberries. Oh, this. Hey, and plus on the booth, they already have strawberries that if you wanna just like come and buy some strawberries, you can go there. And they also have like raspberry and blueberries. They got different types of berries over there. Let me see. How many strawberries you have? Ooh, strawberries. Yum, he loves the strawberries. Let me see. How much you have? Oh, she's grabbing the pretty one. I'm not gonna get this little box full because we also got the other 3 boxes, so I don't think we're gonna eat that much berries. Well, the small one, he loves berries, but I don't know. They already pick a lot of strawberries. Only got like 10 maybe, but they got a lot. What you got there?
The beautiful strawberry ever.
Hey, what do you think? We should put like a strawberry shortcake music on this video? Strawberry, oh, la 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 la, strawberry, oh, la 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 la. Dire. Bum, strawberry, oh, la la, strawberry, oh, la la. No? They didn't like it. Let me see what you got, let me see. Hey, can you do the strawberry dance? Yeah, there you go. Hey man, let me see. Oompa Loompa. Let's Oompa Loompa then. He doesn't want to record me doing the strawberry dance, but I will do it. Strawberry. No? I think we have enough strawberries right now. I don't even have mine full, but look this. She created a mountain. Look that. I'm telling her. She's gonna eat strawberries for breakfast, dinner, lunch, all that. Oh my God, we're gonna have a strawberry overdose. Oh yeah, and look this guy. Look this. Let me see. How many strawberries you have there? How many strawberries? Oh, there's a lot of strawberries. Oh, she keep putting more. Let's get out of here. No, let's get out of here because she keep grabbing the strawberries. And hey, we have to leave strawberries for other people, you know? What you got there?
You gotta choose this one.
Oh, wait. You got like special strawberries? What? This is like a
Kilo 6, right?
a strawberry tripod.
Look. This is the foot, the leg, the head.
Ah, this is Patrick.
Kilo 6.
No, this is Patrick. Hero 6.
Not that
Who's
fat.
Hero 6? Ah, Hero 6?
Hero
Hero 8.
What's his name? Big Hero 6.
Ah, la Baymax.
Yeah.
Baymax.
Right there.
Hello. Look at that. Look at that. No, this. You better eat all that. You better eat everything. Look at that. $8.74 for all this. It's not that bad. It's not bad. Once you pick everything, you come here and you pay for the strawberries. So this scale over here, right, is if you bring a basket or I don't know, something big, something bigger than the cartons they give you, you put it there and it will tell you how much you weigh. Then it will give you a ticket. And then when you go over here to pay, you give that ticket and they will subtract the weight from, you understand what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure you're not that dumb. So now that we finished here in the strawberry farm, we're gonna go to the Japanese garden. It's like 10 minutes from here. It's also here in Kaiserslautern. Let's see if the sky over there is gonna be different. And we're back. So right now we're in the Japanese garden. Look how beautiful this is. This is just the entrance, like the entrance over there. I was gonna start recording from the entrance, but I had to go to the bathroom. No, but like look how beautiful. They got koi fishes over here, so you guys can see. It's super beautiful over here. It's only €5 per person, so it's not expensive. And if you have little kids, they don't have to pay, so they're free. We're gonna start taking some pictures because this is just the beginning, right? So they got more different parts. They got different parts with flowers and all that stuff. This is only like for like fountains and water. A small bag like this is €2. This is for the koi fish, and you guys can see all the fountains. No, it's beautiful over here. And like I say, it's in Kaiserslautern. So if you're in here, like obviously if you're in the military base here in K-Town or you're in Baumholder, it's only half hour from Baumholder. And it's super beautiful over here. So I'm gonna start walking around the park, around the garden, so you guys can see how does it look over here. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna leave until here because it's raining a little bit and I don't want to get the camera wet, and my kids, they're getting wet a little bit. So it's a good place to come with your family. It's super cheap. It's only €5 and it's super pretty. They got koi fishes, they got Japanese buildings. It's pretty, it's super pretty over here, so I recommend it. I'm gonna leave the address in the description below. So if you like the video, press the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos of Chico Venezuela. Así que chequeamos.